how have you navigated completely different work environments, like from an environment of art like Kalakshetra to hardcore corporate like Sanmar or now Apollo?
I did my hotel management, so that's like
Wow.
more pivot back.
Oh my God.
And I was
That's something I should be adding to.
so I started working with hotels. I moved on to sales and marketing. From there, I picked up Marcom, and I think Marcom is very important, basically for any kind of customer interface. I don't know. I think with hotel management, it gave that perfect, grounding for me in communication. And art has always been an interest because I'm from Kerala and, we have our parents drilling this into us ever since childhood. Not just learning the arts, but also awareness of the arts. So then I did a course in art and culture management, which was a very rigorous 1 year program on, on the origin of arts, culture. How do you understand culture? How do you exhibit culture? A lot of things like that. Background of how to work in the arts. And after that, I worked with an art gallery, curating shows for them. And then I started working at the Kalakshetra Foundation, which I would say till date, like even 10 years later, is perhaps the place where I have done my best, most interesting and phenomenal work. Because it is a passion that was translating into a profession, right? So that definitely worked. But in Kalakshetra, what also happened was it gave me the confidence, or rather, some point of time, I was handling 360-degree vacation of the organization. And it gave me a lot of confidence as far as taking on communication for an organization is concerned. Now, what you have to also remember here is when I'm working in the arts, I'm still using a lot of things that I've learned in my hotel management in terms of people interaction, in terms of how do you plan an event, how do you go about, how do you work with a large team, how do you work with team who may not be as skilled as you, maybe even the lower skilled workers. So all this I'm taking from my hotel management career. Then I have my arts, giving it a nice layer over that. I had to convince them that art is only enhancing what I do, which I must say when I moved to Corpcom, it did, because it gave me a better understanding of why do people behave in a particular way. What is culture? How much of that culture do people bring to the work? What is organizational culture? How can we build organizational culture? All these things came together. Here again, I use what I learned in my hotel management plan,
Wow.
what I learned in hotels. So for me, the journey.
That's the pleasure of learning, like, yeah, proven.
Yes. And somewhere, I don't know, I consider myself very lucky. My teachers have taught me to absorb. And I think that is what is ultimately. I think a lot of people fear moving to companies of different kind, which is something, Ellen. The fact